Hey friends, welcome back. So today we are going to be talking about transplanting your plants. So you planted your seeds in flower pots and they've been growing if you've been watering them and making sure they have enough sunlight. Once they get big enough, you should be able to transplant them into a garden bed. So as you can see, my plants have started to grow, but they're still itty bitties. Once they get about this big, it is okay to transplant them, but it'd be better to wait until they're about this big. The first thing you're going to want to do is find a location where you can transplant your plant. You want somewhere with soft soil and enough sunlight. After you've picked your location, make sure you ask permission that it's okay to plant there. Hey Donnie!
What?
Is it okay if I plant some plants right here?
Yeah, whatever.
Yay! So the next thing you're going to want to do is make sure there aren't any weeds. You can use a trowel or your hand to dig up any weeds. Make sure you get the roots. Once your area is clear of weeds, you can go ahead and plant. Here's my plant. I'm going to plant it right here. You want to level the soil around it and level the plant so that it's level with the ground. Make sure it's level. Here's our first plant. If you waited until your plant is this big, you plant it exactly the same way. Only you dig a deeper hole. Hey Donnie!
What?
Can I plant this pepper right here, please?
Yeah, whatever.
Yay! And make sure you keep the dogs out of the garden. See, you better get out of the garden, please. Thank you. Be very gentle when you're taking your plant out of the pot. Wow, that was simple. And you want to make sure the plant is standing up tall, so you might have to push some extra soil around it. If you didn't give your plant too much food, you can give it a little bit of plant food from your plant food bag. And then make sure you give your plant enough water. Make sure you take good care to water it enough and make sure it has enough sunlight over the summer. And enjoy your summer, guys!
You hit my iPad and you see what happens.
I did not. I didn't.